Once you've created your store in the TUO platform, the first, most important thing to do is to add products in your store so your customers have something to buy. While you still can create your own custom products from scratch, TUO offers several pre-made product libraries to help you get started. These libraries contain thousands of pre-built template products you can add to your store catalog and customize to your liking. To find these product libraries, first go into your store's catalog. From here, locate the tabs at the top of the page and find the Search Products tab. This will allow you to browse and search through all the product libraries. The first pre-built library is the TUO Global Library, which includes thousands of branded products along with SKU numbers, sizes, and product images pre-attached. And next to that, the Featured Product Library includes a massive amount of Sanmar and Alpha Brodor products. This library is actually a live feed from Alpha Brodor and Sanmar to the TUO platform, so it is constantly up to date. First, locate the product you want to add. You can select the search option to search the entire library for specific product names, brands, SKUs, etc. Once you've found the product you want to add to your catalog, select the Add button. If the product already has sizes assigned to it, you'll be asked if you want to map those sizes to sizes that are in your product library. If the product has SKUs attached to it already, you'll need to map these sizes if you want to keep the SKUs, since the SKUs are tied in with the sizes. If that is not a concern, feel free to skip this step and simply select Copy Product. This will take you to the product settings page of the product you are adding. Here you can view the settings that have been pre-assigned to the product and edit them any way you like, such as adding more sizes, adjusting the price, adding product images or customizations, etc. Once you feel you're ready to add your finished product to your store, select the Update Product button and the product will appear in your catalog. And that's all you got to do. The product is now in your store and will be available to purchase once your store is open. If you have a product you want to add to your store that is not already in one of the product libraries, you can create a custom product from scratch. In order to do so, select the Add Product button at the top right of your screen. This will take you to the same product settings page we saw earlier, except here all of the settings are empty. Now it's time to go through all of the settings and make sure our product is set up how we want. In the first section, we add the general product information, such as its brand, type, name, and description. The store product information will be visible to your shoppers, whereas the internal product information is used primarily for back-end tracking. If your organization uses style numbers, you enter that here as well. The mandatory setting allows you to control whether or not your shoppers have to purchase this item in order to check out. So the optional option allows shoppers to check out without the product. The recommended option will prompt the shopper, encouraging them to purchase the product, and the mandatory option will make shoppers purchase this item in order to check out. You can also assign categories here to help group your products in your store if you want to. Now we move over to the Images tab. Here you can upload product images directly from your computer. You simply need to select Upload Image and locate the image in your file system. As you upload more and more images, you can adjust the order in which they appear in your store by dragging and dropping them to the left and to the right. Now we go over to the Variability tab. Here is where you set up your product's colors, sizes, and prices. To add a color to your product, you need to type in the color name, the hex code, and the color code. The hex code will be the color that appears in the dropdown on the storefront, and the color code will be used in reporting and back-end tracking. Here on the storefront, you can see in the dropdown we have the color name we assign and the hex code that we assign to that color in the dropdown. And the two-color option simply allows you to add a second hex code to your color setting. Now it's time to add sizes to our product. Here you can see all of the sizes you have currently set up in your product size library, which you can modify within the My Account page. Simply select the settings you wish to add to your product, and you can also opt to add a sizing chart to your product if you want. Then we move on to product pricing. The first option here asks if you want to activate product variability. This will allow you to set variable prices, SKUs, and UPCs for each size, color variation of your product. Simply select the setting you want to add variation to and enter that information. The last part of this section allows you to set a free quantity on the product so you can allow a shopper to purchase a certain quantity of this product for free. You can also adjust the minimum and maximum quantity a shopper can purchase. Now we move over to the Personalizations tab. Here you can add custom personalizations to your product, such as a name and number. You can either use the standard personalizations, or you can add up to 15 custom personalizations. Once you're comfortable your product is ready to go, select the Update Product button to add it to your catalog. If at any point you feel the need to adjust the settings of the products in your store, you can easily do so by selecting the Edit Product link from the store catalog to go back to the product settings page you were just on. Here you can change any of the settings you've added previously. Once you've made the modifications you wanted, make sure to click Update Product to save your changes. And as always, if you have any further questions regarding this feature, feel free to click the TUO Connect button to give us a call or schedule a one-on-one session with a TUO specialist.